trying to upload videos and watch Dynamite, and I just keep having stuff worth putting on film or whatever video. There is a real rager just about, I want to say probably 10 or 20 miles to the north here. Got a little clear patch overhead, but as you can see, this thing is just going. It's also kind of messing with the cell signal, which sucks, but I think I've seen most of the matches I was wanting to see. Oh man. Look at that. And the moon. But directly overhead we got clouds. You can't see, and then this lightning just going nuts.